Why automate your timesheets?
Manual timesheets can be repetitive and prone to error. Automation saves time, reduces mistakes, and lets you focus on more important tasks. By connecting your favorite time tracking app to other tools with Zapier, you can instantly log hours, generate reports, and keep your records organized without lifting a finger.
How Zapier works with time tracking apps.
Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects different apps and services together. It works with popular time trackers like Toggl, Harvest, and Clockify. By setting up Zaps, you can automatically trigger actions, such as creating a new spreadsheet row or sending a notification whenever you log time in your app.
Setting up a basic Zap, from time tracking to spreadsheets.
A common workflow is sending time entries straight to a spreadsheet. In Zapier, you choose your time tracking app as the trigger and a service like Google Sheets as the action. Once set up, every new time entry appears as a row in your spreadsheet, keeping all your hours organized, backed up, and easy to review.
Advanced integrations, notifications, invoices, and more.
Go beyond the basics by integrating time trackers with email, project management, or invoicing tools. For example, send yourself a daily summary of logged hours, automatically create client invoices, or update your project board when you finish a task. With Zapier, the possibilities for streamlining your workflow are almost endless.
Tips for getting the most out of Zapier automation.
Start simple, test thoroughly, and build gradually. Explore Zapier's templates, read their app documentation, and experiment with custom workflows. Remember, automation should save you time, not create confusion. With the right Zaps in place, you'll have more time for what matters most and never miss a billable hour again.